Hello guys, we are here. Let's try to create our introduction slide and see how we can create this. I add these pictures from the internet. You can download them. They are easily funded. After downloading them, I'm going to create a blank slide. I copy this text and put it here, but the text needs some modification. I'm going to use Overdrive Sunset for it. And I'm going to, for the color, use this blue color with white. I'm going to use some amazing color from the, can you guess, text option, text fill. I'm going to use gradient fill, and I'm going to use it, this thing and this white, and then delete this thing, and then I'm going to put the linear like this. No, I want to put it in the this type, introduction. Now I created the introduction. This text is going to be sans serif Sakal Majala. This is a good font also. Then I need to add the pictures. And our introduction slide is ready, but it needs a little modification that I'm going to create. How? I'm just going to copy these two and paste them here, but then I'm going to rotate them and rotate them, and then set the transparency to high. Now copy them, and here open them up. Let's see how the transition is going to look like. It's pretty amazing. Let's see it and see how it's look like. You see, it's pretty amazing. And everything, it's continuous and very beautiful. Okay, this is the end. Don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Have a nice night.